it's a video. Hello guys. Today we're going down. Woo! Look, see? I'm on the bike with my dad, but he's riding for me. See? I'm in here. This little thing. We're going to go check out the cat. I don't know where, but somehow my dad saw it. It's probably the cat from last time, right, Daddy?
Right.
Oh, okay. So then, this is what we're doing. My mom's over there. That guy's talking to her what to do. And I'm already on the bike. And so, there's the car. But, so, we're here back. And we stopped. And so, this is my dad here. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Stop. So silly. But yeah, this is what we did. And this is the hotel. See? And this is the park for soccer and stuff like that. They also have swings that you swing and it goes on the mat up here. It's that thing, do you see there? That guy is riding. Do you see that? That was cool, right? And I did that. It was so cool. It's like a zip line. So, bye.